And moving on from that E-Type is the TR here, which again, a lot of hard work's been done, super solid. I've taken lots of photographs of the underside, inside there. There's a load of parts we're going to come to shortly. Again, this is going to make a hell of a car as well. I did carefully lift that up in there and take some photographs. There's a load more spare parts in there. I can't do it any better with one hand, so I'll leave it there. But there's a load more bits and pieces in the boot. There's a load of odds and ends in the actual car itself, which you can see. And then there's these from there onwards, so from the cardboard onwards. So we've got 1, 2, 3, it's a long one, 4, it's a long one, 5. So that little selection there, guys, together with the engine, 2 gearboxes, radiator. So there you go. I'll show you when you come down though what you got, but basically if I can just cut the film, it's there. Not the trays are with something completely different. What's labelled there, it's all labelled up properly, TR3A there. You can't go wrong, it's all labelled. So there you go. So that gives you the TR. Like I say, lots and lots of the hard work's already been done. Still 2 very popular cars. These would have absolutely flown out a year ago when we were all forced to lock down, wouldn't we? They would have just absolutely rocketed out. But they're still going to cause a fair bit of interest, obviously, because they're 2 nice cars and 2 very rewarding projects. So I'll sign off. We're back in again. I think January the 4th. I think we're back in again on the Tuesday. We'll probably be floating about between Christmas and New Year. Anyway, it's we're only here for another day or so and then we're shutting down for Christmas. But please come along and have a look. Definitely a worthwhile trip. 2 very interesting projects there for you. Thank you.